I see it. Under the stairs.
Under the stairs? Yeah, yeah.
Get the gate, see it? I guess not. Okay. You get it?
Is that game?
You gotta get in there. Hold it.
Okay. Teammate other side coming in. Teammate other side coming in.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I couldn't think of it in the back.
Armband, I'm here. I'm here.
All right, somebody's gonna get upstairs and grab that teddy bear. I just smoked two.
We made it this far. We did fucking good. We gotta get that bear though.
That's what I'm saying. Somebody cover the stairs on the right. Somebody run up and grab him.
Whoa, whoa, shit, whoa, whoa. Beam, friendly. Waffles. Whoa, waffles.
Check your fire waffles.
Friendly dog, what are you doing?
Yeah, right.
It's okay, bro. It's okay. I thought you were gonna fucking smoke me. Grab that bear.
Actually, I don't know. Do we have to get that bear back to
Yeah, I
spawn?
think so. I don't
Yeah,
know.
we gotta take him back.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Do we?
I think
I don't fucking know. Let's just own it for now.
it was capture and defend.
We should get outside of these fucking fences
Capture and
though.
defend, not retrieval.
Yeah, true enough.
We'll guard the left, my side.
Yeah, we gotta get outside of this wall.
What?
Yeah, big time.
We gotta surround the wall, not be behind it.